Hello Kainatis. This is your host Rashmi Sheoran, and do you know it would take you 12 minutes to fall off Verona Rupes?
Celestial Snippets.
In today's Kainati Tukra, we are going far beyond the Earth, the Moon, and the inner solar system. We are going to Miranda, the moon of Uranus, where we have the tallest cliffs of the solar system. They are estimated to be about 20 kilometers deep or tall, whichever way you want to see it. And if we compare that to Earth on Grand Canyon, they are about 10 times more taller than that. So suppose you stand there in your spacesuit and you want to fall. What's going to happen? It's going to take a few seconds. Not really. It's going to take about 12 minutes before you reach the surface. Your speed is going to be similar to a sports race car on Earth. So imagine you're standing there in your spacesuit and you fall off and you crash. What is going to happen next? So just like on Earth, if a race car collides or if a race car crashes, if there is a sufficient air cushioning, if there's an airbag, the driver is able to survive the fall or the crash. Similarly, on the Miranda also, you will be able to survive the fall if there is already a cushion there. And it's so interesting that on Earth, the collisions, if somebody does the free fall, they might get a lot of injuries. But because of the weak gravity, the low gravity of Miranda, the fall is also going to be a little bit more comfortable and less dangerous. Now, we came to know about the Verona Rupes back in 1986 when Voyager 2 went there and it clicked these pictures. Scientists aren't really sure how did they form. They think that maybe an impact, because of an impact with another moon or something else, they were formed, or because of some tectonic plates, some tectonic activities. We aren't really sure. We would need more spacecraft, more future missions to go there, explore there, and who knows, the future astronauts of the Earth, if they are seeking for an adventure, some thrill, they might choose the Verona Rupes of Miranda to go there and do the tallest, the largest, the longest free fall that anybody has ever seen on Earth. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one with another amazing space fact. Bye-bye.